subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has launched its new mid-end 5G phone under G series in the European market called Moto G82. Talking about the specifications, the Moto G82 features a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, coupled with Adreno 690 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Moto G82 supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 180° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting Full HD videos at 60 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 30W turbo power charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 out of the box based on MyUX skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IP52 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes Dolby Atmos surrounded sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.9 by 74.5 by 8mm and it weighs around 173 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto G82 has been priced in the European market at €330 and it will be available for purchase in the country in meteorite grey and white lily color options. So what do you guys think of this Moto G82 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.